Explain different types of fits. The types of fits depend upon the actual limit of the hole or shaft. This can be divided into three categories: clearance fit, interference fit, and transition fit. So the answer for this question would be, there are three categories of fits. First is clearance fit. In this kind of fits, the hole is larger than the shaft, enabling the two parts to slide or rotate when assembled. The example for such kind of fit would be pistons and valves. Another kind of fit is the transition fit. Here the hole is fractionally smaller than the shaft, and mild force is required to assemble or disassemble. The example of such kind of fit would be a shaft key. And last but not the least, we have interference fit. Here the hole is smaller than the shaft, and high force or heat is required to assemble or disassemble. The example of such interference fit would be a bearing bush. Why gas containers are mostly cylindrical in shape? Gas bottles are cylindrical or spherical because circular hoops can withstand internal pressure by pure tension present in the tank material. If the shape were not circular, then there would be bending stresses in the tank wall and it would not be able to withstand as much pressure without breaking. The answer for this particular question would be, the most efficient shape for withstanding high pressure is a sphere, which would be costly to manufacture. A cylinder with a domed top and bottom is a much cheaper shape to manufacture, while still having good strength to resist the internal gas pressure.